Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you are doing well. Today we will discuss about business mathematics for first year students. We will see marking criteria, paper pattern, and the most important questions. And also I have included past paper in this video. So watch till end and let's get started. In the section A, you will have 10 multiple choice questions. Total marks would be 10. In a certain college, there are 500 students, out of which 300 are boys. What will be the ratio of number of girls to the total students? So C is the right answer, 2:5. If A, B, C, and D are in inverse proportion, then A ratio B is equal to D ratio C. 100% of 100 is equal to 100. What percent is rupees 84 of rupees 400? 21%. The simple interest on rupees 15,000 for 3 years at 5% is 2,250. Sequence of payments made at equal interval of time is called annuity. If gx is equal to x squared plus 2, then g5 would be 27. Which of the following equation is not a linear equation? This is not a linear equation. X plus 1 over x is equal to 8. The multiplicative inverse of this is this. (32 power 10 in binary number system is this, 100,000 by 2. In section B, you have to attempt 8 parts briefly. These are the most important topics. Make sure you go through these topics. A profit of rupees 260,000 is to be distributed among Akram, Asad, and Ali in the ratio of 1:2, 1 divided by 2 ratio 2 by 3 ratio 4 by 5. Determine the profit of each. If 20 men can prepare 10 office tables in a day, how many men are required to prepare 25 such tables in a day? An agent sold fancy articles for rupees 2,800 on a 3% commission. Find his commission. On a cut price shop, the price of a pair of shoes was rupees 350, which is 30% less than the original price. Find the original price. A watch was sold for rupees 800 on 4.1% loss. Find the loss and the cost price. Find the simple interest on rupees 4,800 at the rate of 11% for 6 months. Convert 39.25 power 10 into binary number. If this is equal to 30 by 114, then find the values of x and y. You have to figure out the values of x and y. Solve this equation. Subtract this binary number from this binary number. The sum of ages of a girl and her mother is 40 years. If mother's age is 4 times to her daughter's age, find out their parent ages. In section C, you have to attempt 2 questions. All questions carry equal marks. Solve this matrix by matrix inversion method. If 2 is added to 5 times a certain number, the result is same as if 16 is subtracted from twice the number. Find the number. Rupees 3,000 amount to rupees 5,843.70 in 17 years compound annually, what is the interest rate? A firm knows that it can sell as many items as rupees 1.25 each as it can produce in a day. If the cost function is this, find the break-even point. Question number 5 is a home computer with a price tag of 250,000 may be purchased by making a down payment of 100,000 and the balance payment may be made in equal monthly installments for 1 year. What is the monthly installment if interest is charged at 15% compounded monthly? Simplify this. Let's talk about a past paper for the year 2025. In section A, it also have 10 marks, 10 multiple choice questions. Let's go through what are the multiple choice questions. In a certain college, there are 240 girls and 360 boys. The ratio of number of girls to the number of student is 2:5. This is the same in model paper as well. 100% of 100 is equal to 100. This is also present in the model paper. What is this percent of rupees 400? So if you solve this, it would be 53. A TV set of worth rupees 40,000 is available for a sale at a discount of rupees 2,500. What is the price of the TV after discount? So 3,700 and 37,500. The simple interest on rupees 500 for 4 years at 11% is 2,200, 220 rupees. If y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c in equation of parabola, then it will open upwards if a is positive. The value of function this at u is equal to 2 is, you have to find the value of u, that is 108. If you put this value, you will be able to figure out the answer. 3 is the solution of the equation. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. If a matrix has 4 rows and n columns, then its order will be 4 into n. What is the number 19 in base 2? In base 2, it will be this. In past paper, section B, these are the most important topics you have to go through. It is given that the manager of a particular firm is earning rupees 100,000 per month as salary and his spendings are rupees 90,000 per month. One of his subordinate is earning rupees 30,000 per month and saving 6,000 per month, who is saving more as regards to their income. The weight of mangoes sold by 3 hawkers are in the ratio 3:4:5. The least amount sold by one of them is 105 kilogram. What is the amount of mangoes sold by each of the other 2 hawkers? If a person purchased an article for rupees 5,000, the shopkeeper gave him 10% discount. Find the amount paid. Find the total commission on sales amounting rupees 18,000 if the rate of commission is 4% on the sale up to 5,000 and 5% on sales over rupees 5,000. A mobile was sold for rupees 8,000. If ratio of profit is 5% of the sale price, calculate the cost price of the mobile. What is the simple interest on rupees 500 invested for 6 months at 8% per annum? Suppose a calculator has a total cost function this and the revenue function this. What is the equation of profit for the calculator? What is the profit on 300 units? Solve for x this. Convert this binary number into a decimal number. Show that the product AB is an unit matrix if A is equal to this, B is equal to this. Find the sum of these two. In section C past paper, these are the important questions. Solve this equation by using Cramer's rule. A theater sold 500 tickets amounting to rupees 6,000 in one show. The tickets were sold to adults for rupees 15 and to children for rupees 5 each. How many adults and children attended the show? And how many years a sum of rupees 3,000 would amount to rupees 4,814.07 at 6% compounded semi-annually. A producer knows that he can sell as many items at rupees 0.25 each as he can produce in a day. If the cost function is this, find the break-even point. If you want to accumulate rupees 500,000 in 30 years, how much money should you deposit in GP fund every month that earns interest at 12% per annum compounded monthly? Three partners earned a profit of rupees 18,000. The profit can be shared in the ratio A ratio B is equal to 2 ratio 5 and B ratio C is equal to 10 ratio 4. Find the share of each partner in profit. So this is the model paper structure and marking criteria, and we also discussed past paper for the year 2025. If you have any question regarding business mathematics, you can leave a comment below. Do share this paper with your classmates. I will see you in the next model paper. Till then, Allah Hafiz.